Hey, I got a Shark Navigator vacuum. I use it a lot. I have a dog. So I bought this pack here of replacement filters. As you can see, after years of use, the current filter is pretty dirty. So instead of worrying about washing it and messing around with it, I am just going to replace it. So as you can see, these two pieces here are compatible with the originals. I'm just gonna pop them right in. And that is a perfect fit for that part. And now we're going to replace the front filter. Just take your cover off. Here's the original filter. Here's the replacement. Very similar. Just pop it right in. And this filter, you can see, just dirty from years of use. It comes with a total of 4 sets of your top filter here. It comes with 2 of these front filters. And it also comes with a little cleaning brush to help clean your current filter out.